Hi guys, again welcome to my YouTube channel. So this vlog is for educational vlog. I will discuss you about the chapter 2 lesson 2, which is the ethnocentrism and relativism. So let's go. So what is ethnocentrism? Is a judging another culture solely by the values and standards of one's own culture. Ethnocentric individuals judge other groups relative to their own ethnic group or culture, especially with concern for language, behavior, costumes, and religion. According to William Sumner, ethnocentrism is defined as the technical name for the view of things in which one's own group is the center of everything and all others are scaled and rated with reference to it. In the study of anthropology, ethnocentric are people born into a particular culture that grow up observing the values and behaviors of the culture will develop a worldview that consider their culture to be the norm. However, since people are accustomed to their birth culture, it can be difficult for them to use the behaviors of people from different culture from the viewpoint of that culture rather than from their own. Example of ethnocentrism include religion-centric construct claiming a divine association like divination, one nation under God, God's own country, God's chosen people, and God's promised land. In cultural relativism is the principle that an individual person's belief and activities should be understood by others in terms of that individual's own culture. It was established as accepted in the anthropological research by Franz Boas in the first few decades of the 20th century and later popularized by his students. Cultural relativism was in a part a response to Western ethnocentrism. Ethnocentrism may take obvious form in which one consciously believes that one's people's arts are the most beautiful, values the most virtuous, and believe the most truthful. Boas first articulated the idea in 1887. Civilization is not something absolute, but is relative, and our ideas and conceptions are true only so far as our civilization goes. However, Boas did not coin the term. Franz Boas, originally trained in physics and geography, argued that one's culture may mediate and thus limit one's perceptions in less obvious ways. This understanding of culture confronts anthropologists with two problems. First, how to escape the unconscious bands of one's own culture, which inevitably bias our perceptions of and reactions to the world. And second, how to make sense of unfamiliar culture. Generalization. Ethnocentrism, the tendency to assume that one's own culture and way of life represent the norm or are superior to all others. Cultural relativism, the viewing of people's behavior from the perspective of their own culture.